it back, everyone, with a successful Trader Joe's haul. I definitely got a lot of stuff because I didn't go last week, and they had their fall things. So I got some treats, and I'm excited to try some of these. My Trader Joe's kind of rolls out seasonal things slowly, so they didn't have everything, and it was super busy, so I was kind of like scrambling. So maybe next time we'll be able to try some other things. But I got gluten-free pumpkin ravioli, and I don't think I've tried their ravioli before at all, but I saw they had a gluten-free one, and I said, yes, please. My favorite thing ever, their non-dairy oat beverage with maple. It's so good, and I love to make little mini lattes and cortados and stuff with that. Also, don't remember trying these in the past, mini maple flavored marshmallows, just a little sweet treat. And also I love maple flavor, obviously. It was kind of an impulse grab. And I got the oat chocolate bars. I love the crispy cocoa ones, or crispy rice ones. They're so good and add a little crunch. And then I did get pumpkin spice batons, and I love little wafer crackers. And I don't think I've actually tried these before. It's more frozen brown rice, chicken cilantro wontons, just some chicken to make for dinners this week. Turkey burgers I was out of. This is like my go-to easy frozen meal. I got some hash browns. They didn't have the gluten-free bagels that I like, so I think I'll do some like avocado toast hash brown breakfast instead. Sweet potato, tomatoes, cucumber, avocado. I think I'm gonna do like Mediterranean bowls. So I got hummus and vegan tzatziki, turkey bacon, sesame oil for another chicken dish, and then the elote corn dippers. So I have some cowboy caviar that I think will be good with these. And that is my haul. So again, got a lot of stuff, and I feel like I'm set for the week. Next time we'll definitely try it for more of the fall stuff, but it was fun to look at what they had. It's the afternoon now. I've just been sitting here working for most of the day. I think it's just about to start raining, so as soon as I go back out, probably gonna get rained on, but bringing an umbrella. Going to do a workout. I'm meeting a friend in Manhattan to go to Pilates together. We're gonna go to a body rock class, which I haven't been to in a bit. Still a little bit sore from a leg workout I did the other day, but hopefully Pilates will also give me a chance to stretch it out a little bit. Trying to incorporate that more. So yeah, let's go. It's still hot out. It's like probably gonna rain though, so I'm gonna bring an umbrella, but I'm just wearing a tank top and leggings from Story, and I have my grippy socks for Pilates, and let's go to Body Rock. Making some chicken. I heated up some rice, and I'm just gonna have a little Mediterranean bowl for dinner. Such an easy go-to. I think these should be done because they're thinner, but I'll check the thickest one. Looks done to me. Pilates class was really good. I'm already a little bit like in pain from it. I'm feeling it in my abs. It was, I think, an ab focused class. I mean, we did kind of a little bit of everything. Body Rock, I feel like it's the kind of thing where I forget how intense it is. Thinking about booking a class, or, you know, looking at the schedule, I'm like, oh yeah, this is like a pretty light workout. It's not too bad. And then I'm there, and I'm like mid crunch on the carriage thing, and I'm like, this is death. Then it started pouring rain when we left, so it pretty much just came straight home and showered, and now I'm making dinner. So that is my Monday evening, my favorite kind of Monday evening. This probably won't be the most presentable bowl, but whatever. There she is. This is gonna be good. It's my favorite time of the month, folks, and you know what that means? It's Nuuly haul time. So this month I went for transitional pieces, neutral to fall colors that could be used for warm weather, but also could be layered when it's cooler out. So for example, this vest. This is so cute. It's also like a sweatery material, so it's warm but not too warm. It zips. You could also do like a white long sleeve under it for more of a layered look. It does go down further. I just had it tucked. I just think it's so cute. I love the neutral nude color. This is the Chloe sweater vest by Little Lies, and I got it in the medium large size, so fits nicely. I do think it's the kind of thing where like I probably could have gotten the small medium and it would have been fine. Just depends on how you want the fit. Okay, this skirt was a little bit of a gamble because I'm pretty sure it was new to the site. It might be new to Free People. It's We The Free. So it didn't have too many reviews, but I went for it anyway. I sized down because the reviews that were there said it was large. I think it was one review. And I'm glad that I did. I think it fits perfectly and I think it's so cute. It's a corduroy maxi skirt and it hits right at the top of my foot, which is perfect. And I love this nude color. It's a nice high waist. I think it's a flattering style. The Come As You Are corduroy maxi. So this will be really fun going into the early days of fall, still lightweight. And then I did end up getting two kind of sweater vest style tops because I don't know, this one kept going in and out of stock and then it was in stock for a hot second, so I just went for it. But they're different enough. This is kind of more of a like preppy, this is kind of summer vibes honestly because it is white. But I don't know, the knit I think still works for the days where it's like cold in the morning, warm in the afternoon. This is the collared knit sweater vest by Maeve and I got it in a large. I think it's like a nice fit and can still be tucked into things. It's not too thick either. So this is fun. Maybe I'll wear this today. I was gonna go into Manhattan and meet a friend at a coffee shop. Yeah, the high is only 73. Okay, this one I actually like more than I expected to. I didn't look in the full body mirror yet, but I think it's actually flattering. It has like a nice cinched waist. The shoulders are a bit funky. I think this one might be off, like the padding is misplaced a little bit, but I'll figure that out. Very cool. It goes like, it zips from the top and the bottom and it's a nice little midi dress. I like a good midi dress. It's lightweight. I think this is fun. It's a little bit wrinkled from the back. It has pockets, important dress characteristic. Another Maeve piece. It's the smocked waist zip up shirt dress and I got it in a medium. So this is a win. This one is so fun, you guys. It's kind of subtle, honestly. In the pictures, it looked more dramatic. Maybe on camera you can see it more, but in person, the two tones are not crazy different. So I feel like it's not too noticeable. Oh, there you go. It has this flame design with a slightly lighter denim at the bottom. It's so cool and it goes over the sleeves too. This is from Urban Outfitters. I got a medium. Wouldn't style it like this necessarily, but this is just what we're working with. Isn't this so fun? It's such a unique piece, but also still just like a casual throw on denim bomber at the same time, like not too dramatic to overtake an outfit. Brett Flame denim jacket from BDG, so you can get it at Urban. And like I said, I got a medium. I think it fits great. It hits like right at the top of my hip. I'm excited about this. Everything I got is so neutral this month, but that's just me in the fall especially. Last thing I got is a dress. This is so fun. It's like a utility dress. Let's try it on. Okay, this is actually shorter than I expected it to be, but it's not too bad. I think it just like comes up easily, so you gotta like keep it in check. But I think it's so flattering. It's stretchy, it's comfortable. I thought it might be a little bit restricting, but I'm obsessed with this. I think it's such a fun, unique kind of style. Again, you could even put like a long sleeve under this. I don't know if you could make it work for professional settings because of the length. This is something I've had bookmarked for a while and hadn't ordered yet, so this is the time. This is the utility button front mini dress from Pilcrow, and I got this in my usual size. I think it fits true to size. Again, it has a little stretch to it. It's comfy. Honestly, maybe even size up if you're between for length purposes. This tie around the waist to cinch it in if you want, but it already does have like a good curvature. That's what I got in my Newly for September. I'll definitely be seeing these in the vlogs, but as always, I'll have a link down below if you want your referral code. It gets you, I think, $10 or $20 off your first month. Definitely worthwhile if you're looking to do a clothing rental. Newly has great stuff, or just if you're interested in any of these pieces. So I always say where they're from, where you can get them if you just want to buy one. But yay. It is Saturday morning, actually. I haven't really been vlogging. I'm gonna continue and vlog into the weekend a little bit, starting off my morning with coffee. I'm not really like getting ready, but this morning I'm going to volunteer at Fort Greene Park, which is like the nearest park to me. I love going there, walking through the park, having picnics there, etc. So I think it's a good opportunity to give back in this very small way. They do it every 2 weeks. You can sign up online and do like gardening and trash collection, maintenance, whatever the park requires. Not saying this to like try and make myself look good, just more in the sense of raising awareness about it. Like a fun way to get involved in your community if your park or something nearby offers those opportunities. Look up the Conservatory of Goodness Park and you'll probably find something. That's what we're doing. It's just a couple hours this morning. It's nice and cloudy and cool outside, which is perfect weather for it. Then my friend and I might go to the Botanical Garden after. My voice is not really woken up yet. I'm gonna drink my coffee, read some of my book, and then get ready to head over to the park. Guys, this weather is so crisp and so nice. I'm so happy. On my way to the park now. I'm trying to hustle because I realized it was like on the other side of the park for me, so it's gonna take a few more minutes than I thought, but there's a decent sized group. There's like maybe 15 of us. And there's like high school students from nearby that are doing community service, and I met someone who like he and his wife just moved to the neighborhood and they're trying to like get involved in the community and just kind of like far-reaching, I don't know. It was really fun. We did like sweeping soil that had been displaced from rains, raking leaves, picking up trash, things like that, like pretty easy stuff. But it was just like a nice way to feel connected to the community in like a very small way. And then I came home and got ready and I'm about to take my Nutrafol. Like I've mentioned recently, trying to work on hair health. I put on this dress. We're gonna go to the Brooklyn Botanic Gardens, which it's the first day that they're having their like fall display, and I've never been to the gardens at all. They have really cool seasonal things, I've heard. I'm wearing this dress. I think I might change because now that I'm wearing it, I'm like, I feel like this is a little too fancy. I just put on jeans because it's a little bit cool outside, but not really because the sun comes out off and on, so it's like mid 70s. Yeah, let's change. Yeah, I think this is better. I'm just wearing my Zara jeans and this little sweater top that I got from my Newly box. I feel like this is good for this in-between 75-degree weather. Excited to see all the fall displays and the pumpkins and all the things to get me in the spirit. Happy Sunday. Again, I think I got a few clips off of from the Botanic Garden yesterday. It was so gorgeous. I can't believe I've never been. I was under the impression that they had like fall displays and things, but we didn't see that. We also didn't cover every inch of the garden, so maybe we just missed it, but it was still beautiful nonetheless. The rose gardens, the Japanese garden and pond. I feel like doing the membership might be fun just to go back and see it in every season. It's supposed to be gorgeous in the spring. But this morning, it's Sunday, I'm going to SoulCycle. I'm just putting some Olaplex treatment in my hair to kind of set in while I'm working out, and then I'll just braid it and wash it out when I get back. I also put some rosemary oil in my hair and other treatment. I'm gonna get a few clips today, and then that'll probably wrap up this really confusing vlog. But yeah, it's been a really nice weekend so far. Today we're going to a picnic this afternoon with, this is like a classic New York friend experience. When people ask how you make friends in a new city or a big city as an adult, whatever, this is probably the quintessential way that I would suggest. One of my friends was looking for a roommate. I think she was looking online and doing like Facebook groups and stuff, and she was like interviewing or just talking to this girl to potentially move into the spare room they had, and she was like really excited about her. Then it just didn't pan out, and she ended up moving to the city later than the room needed to be filled. She found another roommate that was also great, but now this girl finally moved to the city, and now she's like having a big picnic and inviting a bunch of people, and she's like, yeah, bring whoever, bring your friends. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to a picnic of one of my friends' potential roommates that never was. And I don't really know anyone else that's gonna be there, besides a couple of my friends that are coming. But I think that's fun, and it's a good way to like meet new people. Yeah, so that's this afternoon, and then before that I'm doing SoulCycle. I'm gonna run to Target after and get a few things, get like a snack or something to bring to the picnic, and then that's later this afternoon on the West Side Highway. Not on the highway. Okay, what else do I need? I'm gonna mix up some pre-workout to sip on while we're walking there. I'm excited because we're going to Andrew's class, which is an instructor that we used to love going to, but then he took a break from teaching for several months, and now he was like, surprise, I'm back on the schedule subbing. So we're going to his class. We ended up going to dinner last night at a Mediterranean restaurant. I think it was Lebanese. It was called Reina, and it was super good. Would recommend. And then we just went to a couple bars after that, and I got home on the early side, like 11:30. So I walked like 16,000 steps yesterday, so I was very glad to come home early. I'm gonna grab my pre-workout and head out the door, and I'll see y'all later. Got a package from Alani Nu, and they are so sweet. I'm so excited about this because they have little stick packs of single serving pre-workout. So they have the cherry slush energy stick, 0 sugar, 200 milligrams of caffeine. So you can just take this in a little packet to go. And this is so good if you're gonna do like a workout later in the day, wanna have this with you for a burst of energy before, but don't wanna like carry the thing around. And a little water bottle. How cute is this? I don't have a glass one like this with the rubber outside, and I love the little pattern. So thank you, Alani Nu. Yes, kind of.
Is it Royal Caribbean? Literally a roller coaster on top of that thing. Do you see
Wait,
that?
where? Oh my god, I think it is.